going down, everybody? We're up in the shop tonight and we're going to be doing an unboxing on this full level 3 handling kit for that G body right there from QA1. So if you're not tracking this project right here, this is a family project. My grandpa, dad, and I are going to be restoring this, as well as my uncle, my brother, and my son. So it's a full family project. Reached out to QA1 because we've used them in the past. If you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. And I have been so impressed with how well QA1 transformed my 3rd Gen Camaro. So we figured, what else would we use on the 1983 Oldsmobile Hurst? We're going to be doing some work with this, definitely bring it into the future. Suspension, brakes, new motor, kind of giving the car justice. Because if you know much about these, you know, the old 307 with 185 horsepower, drum brakes out back, it really didn't get the motor suspension handling that it needed. So now we're going to be giving it that. So this video is going to be an unboxing of the full, like I said, QA1 level 3 handling kit for a G body. This comes with absolutely everything you need. Upper lower control arms, coilover conversion front and rear, sway bars front and rear, bells, whistles, arms, you name it. So I'm going to quit talking and I'm going to start showing you stuff. So let's start getting stuff open. All right, so we might as well open some big boxes first, but I did want to specify on this, I said G body. So this is going to be 1978 to 1988 GM G body cars. So, you know, you got your Monte Carlos, your Oldmobiles, all of those bad boys. Figure I'll start with big stuff so we can get the big boxes out of the way. And yeah, we'll just go over everything. I'll get it all open. I'll bring you in, show you. Like I said, I have zero doubts in my mind that all of this stuff will be, or no doubt that it'll all be perfect as it is. Everything I've got from these guys, I mean, the quality is just amazing. Finish on everything is always just awesome. Comes with all your new hardware. They always give you stickers with everything, which is cool too. I mean, when you're spending this much, you might as well get a sticker in every box. I'm a huge fan of that. So get this bad boy open. I'll get you in here and we can look at all powder coat, all greasable zerks. You got big, nice ball joints. But yeah, here, I'll bring you in. I'm bringing you in on this, and then I changed my mind on how I'm going to do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put you up there, put it on time lapse. I'm going to open one of everything, put it on the table, and then we'll go through one of everything so you guys can see finish and, just like I said, packaging, quality of it. But I'm going to bring you in on this because we already have it open. Like I said, powder coat, beautiful. All sheen, all the same. No flat spots, no weird. You got, look at this gussets welded at the end. Nice, greasable, poly bushings, you know. Big, nice lower ball joint with, like I said, they just go the extra mile with the detail. It even has their name in the boot. I've just been so impressed with the quality that these guys give. Once again, directions with everything you buy. And what do we got? Just like I said, stickers. Not even one, we get 2. You might as well because you get 2 control arms. See, you know, it's just the little things in life, QA1. Really appreciate you all. So, like I said, I'm going to put you on time lapse. We're going to open one of everything, and then I'll bring you in and cruise through it all so you guys can put your eyes on every single piece that comes in this beautiful kit. All right, so I figure we'll just start on this end of the table and we'll work our way over there. I do have one more sway bar to open, but didn't have room to put it. So we'll get to that at the very end. And I figured, might as well, because we're here and you're here. Most of you know what your old crusty stuff looks like, but I figure I could show you what the kit will be replacing. So maybe if you're contemplating about getting a G-body and then what suspension to use, this is definitely the answer. They also have this whole setup if you want to do like, this is geared towards like road racing, autocross, handling. I mean, this is their handling kit. They also have kit for drag racing, and if you're running donk, they have a full kit for that for your G-body. So QA1, one-stop shop, they got it all. But we got beautiful lower control arms here. These are very similar to the ones that I'm running on my 3rd gen. all poly bushings, greasable, beautiful powder coat. Like I said, consistency and sheen is all the same. It's not like blotchy like some stuff I've gotten where it's dull, it's shiny. New hardware, directions, 2 stickers, upper bars. We got these bad boys, all anodized, looking super good. Poly bushings, hardware, directions, easy peasy. Up top, you got your upper trailing arms. Beautiful as well, just like everything else. Got their QA1 lasered in there. New hardware, directions, 2 stickers. So what are we swapping out with that? Well, you got this old stamped out crusty nugget here. You got your old stamped out crusties up there. And what the difference between those boxed and that stamped in stuff is that boxed in real control arm is going to get rid of so much deflection. You're not going to be just moving and wiggling. You're going to be able to put that power to the ground. You're going to be able to hold it to the ground. The car's going to hold such a tighter line. So many benefits in doing that. Lower control arm up front. I already showed you that. Let me get where's my razor blade? Where did I put that bad boy? There we go. Sorry, bear with me. We're going to open this up nice and carefully. You got your hardware. Beautiful buff upper ball joint. This is aluminum, greasable Zerks with caps, which is also really nice because, I mean, that helps a ton. Like, you get all this stuff and it's like beautiful. You take it out, I did 1 track day and everything gets dirty. The finish on my 3rd gen, if you go back and look at those videos, when I go back, every time I bring the car in the shop, I wipe everything down. Everything still looks amazing. I just wipe it down. That's all I have to do. Same thing with these caps. It's awesome having these caps. Pop them off, throw a little grease in, cover them up. Bob's your uncle. So 2 stickers with that. You got your rear springs, your rear coilovers. These are double adjustable, which is cool. So you got your rebound and your dampening, which awesome. It's going to be able to help the car stick, you know, obviously handle with the bumps, handle the car, and keep it stuck to the ground. So beautiful aluminum. These things have done super good. You put anti-seize on them, build them together. We got all aluminum collars. You got your upper, your lower, and your lock ring. Everything is, like I said, the nice part about this QA1 stuff is it's not sharp. It's not cheap. It's very well done. We got our front double adjustable as well. We got your hardware for putting that all together and our front spring. I don't remember. We can look really quick. Let's see here. We're running, I don't remember the weights on these springs. I will put the link in the description as well as spring rate. What do we got? An 8,600 and oh, there you go. 220 pound rear spring, and we got an 8,600 in the front. So moving forward, you got your coilover relocation brackets. This is for the back, the rear coilovers. Oh, also bring you in on this. This is an added thing. When you get that level 3 handling kit, you're going to get these thrust washers. These are going to be for the coilovers. They definitely help just for that spring to be able to move in there freely and not bind and do weird stuff on your coilover. We have our rear sway bar with all of our mounting hardware, which, like I was saying, just the quality and finish of everything that you send you. Very reasonably priced, built in America, and the quality is there. I've had 2 issues with QA1 the entire time I've ran their stuff. Every single time I have gotten a hold of them, for one, customer service has been absolutely amazing, and they have fixed the problem both times. Very easy. I had, if you didn't follow my videos, I had a sway bar bushing in the front, ate itself. I sent them a message, told them what happened, and they immediately sent me a new one and said, hey, it's on the way. We're sorry, you guys, you had that problem. I had to race the following weekend. So, you know, that in itself is a big one for me. I don't know how many of you guys have wasted your life on, you know, listening to the song of the day, waiting to talk to someone that actually doesn't know what they're talking about. This is, they are not them. You get on the phone with them, they know what you're talking about. You send them a picture, send them an email. Awesome people, great to work with. Also, we got this here wrapped in a Chinese finger trap. This is going to be your tie rod what do they call this? Tie rod reinforcement, heavy duty tie rod sleeve. There we go. Which, you know, like I said, just finish, everything looks amazing. It just ties that in down there. So that is all of it. Super excited to get going on this rig, and I can't wait to just have this suspension and the ability to drive that car how we want to drive it. Also, I mean, just look, I'm going to bring you in here and just really seal the deal, you know? Look at that. And look at that. It's, you know, no thanks. Might as well bring in, close this video out. Found this little brochure that actually came with the car. How many are interested? And it was very interesting to me. So this was a 1 year only car, this color option, and what it was, 1983. It only had 3,800 of them ever made. It came with a couple different options, obviously the styling options, but then it came with this here Hurst lightning rod shifter. So you got basically a manual valve body, turbo 350, and you got your shifting options. You leave this bad boy in first gear. From what I understand, she just stays in first gear in parties. We got our engine specs here. Like I said, just nothing exciting. Try to get rid of this glare and bring you in, show you some of the, come on, focus. Well, 307 cubic inch, Oldsmobile motor. 5 liter. What do we got? We got front disc brakes, 4-speed automatic. Lock-up torque converter. Yeah, 10.5-inch front brakes. No, thank you. This thing definitely, we're going to be doing a pretty built 350 in it, so it should be pretty fun. Like I said, disc brakes all around. It's gonna look a little different, but I'm figuring I'll bring you in while you guys watch this video, show you a little more on this car. But look at this original interior. I mean, center console is not even broke. This car definitely has a story to tell, and I think it'll be a fun one to kind of bring back. It's not something you see every day. It definitely has some style. All right, well, I said I'd bring you back in, so this is the front sway bar. Same thing, beautiful finish. Don't even need to pull it out, just know. Powder coats, looking amazing. Big old meaty son of a gun. Got your hardware, got your directions, and it has 2 stickers. I pulled them out and stuck them over there. So like I said, they're just, you know, they're consistent with the stickers. All right, well, that's it for this unboxing video. Like I said, if there's anything here on this kit that you guys want to see more of, shoot me a message on my Instagram. I will gladly show you something if I missed it. My Instagram is built to beat. Picture of a charger on there, and you'll see this face. So anything that I can do to help, like I said, QA1's also amazing. You can reach out to them, their technical support. They can answer every question. I definitely can answer. But I'm excited to get this kit going. I really appreciate it. I want to say thanks to QA1 again for working with us. They have been absolutely amazing. So amazing project, amazing customer service, big one for me, made in America. You can't ask for much more in my opinion, but thanks for watching. You guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that like. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate it. We got a ton more content coming your way. I got 3rd gen stuff. We got G-body stuff. So a lot more stuff and some a little bit different stuff. We got some boat stuff and some off-road stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Oh, hey, also, I'll put the link for the kit in the description. So if you're looking for the kit, you can just go ahead and click the link.